Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? In the last week we have done page number 21 and 22 of your booklet, and today we will do page number 23. And if you look at your booklet on page number 23, there is a topic, addition of 3-digit numbers converting ones. Let us add together 267 and 115. In this I have solved an example for you. If you look at your booklet, you see an example. When we add 7 and 5, we will start from ones, and when we add 7 and 5, the sum is 12, and so we put 2 in ones and carry 1 to the tens. In tens we have 6 and 1 which is carried from ones, so the sum is 8. Similarly, in hundreds we have 2 and 1 and their sum is 3. Now I have given you some 6 sums for practice, and first has been done for you. In this sum you see in ones we have 8 and 9, in tens we have 1 and 2, and in hundreds we have 6 and 2. We start from ones. When we add 8 and 9 we get 17. So we will write 7 in ones and we will carry 1 tens to the tens. In tens we have 1 and 2, and when we add this one in tens we will get 4. And in hundreds we have 6 and 2 and their sum is 8. So the answer is 8 hundreds, 4 tens and 7 ones. Similarly, in second sum you see in ones we have 7 and 5. When we add 7 and 5 we get 12. So we write 2 in ones and will carry 1 to the tens. In tens we have 0 and 8, and we add this one with 8 we get 9, and in hundreds we have 9. So the answer will be 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 2 ones. You will solve sum number 3, 4, 5 and 6 in the same way. Note is, do the sums on the above topic given in textbook on page number 34. So you will solve all the sums given on page number 34 by yourself. Now in your booklet on page number 24 there are word problems, addition word problems. First word problem is, Saima has 155 stamps. She collects 105 more. How many stamps does she have altogether? Saima has 155 stamps and she collects 105 more. You have to find out the total number of stamps. You will write 155 and 105 in the box given below, and when you add you will start from ones. In ones you have 5 and 5, you add 5 with 5 you get 10. You will write 0 in ones and will carry 1 tens to the tens. In tens you have 5 and 0, and when you add 1 with 5 you get 6, and in hundreds you have 1 and 1 and you will get, and their sum is 2. So the answer will be 206 tens and 0 ones. Second word problem is, Mazhar is reading a storybook. On Saturday he reads 246 pages and on Sunday 127 pages. How many pages did he read over the weekend? So Mazhar is reading a book and he reads 246 pages on Sunday and 127 pages he reads 246 pages on Saturday and 127 pages on Sunday. You have to find out the total number of pages he read over the weekend. So you will write 246 and 127 in the box given below, and you will add them. You will start from ones. In ones you have 6 and 7. When you add 6 with 7 you get 13. You will write 3 in ones and will carry 1 to the tens. In tens you have 4 and 2, and when you add this one in tens you will get 7, and in hundreds you had 2 and 1, and you will get, and their sum is 3. So the answer would be 3 hundreds, 7 tens and 3 ones. You will solve the third word problem in the same way. Similarly, in your book on page number 35 you have some more word problems, and you will solve all those problems by yourself in the same way. Now on your booklet on page number 25 the topic is addition, converting tens and hundreds. We can in 3-digit numbers we can also convert tens and hundreds, as we have converted ones. You know how to change ones. We can change tens and hundreds too. Here is Adil's sums. Adil's sum 100 tens ones. In ones we have nines, in tens we have 9, and in hundreds we have 9. When he and in another number is 1. When he adds one more one, he makes 10 ones. He changes 10 ones into 110. He writes, when we add 9 and 1, we get their sum is 10. So we write 0 in ones and will carry 110 to the tens. Now he has 10 tens. He changes 10 tens into 100. When he adds 9 plus 1, he gets 10. Their sum is 10. So again he will write 0 in tens and will carry 10 tens into 1 and will carry 100s into the 100. When he adds, now Adil has 10 hundreds. He knows he must change these into 1000. So the answer is 10 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 ones. Now there is a solved example for you. Complete these converting where necessary. One has been done for you. First one has been done for you. In this, in ones we have 6 and 4, in tens 6 and 9, and in hundreds 0, no number. First we will start from ones. When we add 6 and 4, their sum is 10. We will write 0 in ones and will carry 1 to the tens. 110 to the tens. In tens we have 6 and 9, and we add 1, we get 16. So we write 6 in tens and will carry 100 to the ones. So in hundreds we have 1, in tens 6, and ones 0. Similarly we will solve second and third sum. Now on page number 26 there are 9 sums, and you will have to solve all the sums in the same method. The note at the is given below. Do all the sums given on page number 40 on the above topic. So you will have to solve all the sums given on your book on page number 40 in the same way with the same method.